In this video, we are going to use the chain rule to find the equation of a tangent line to a curve. So here, let's let f of x be equal to this, sine squared x plus cosine of 2x. And we are at the point pi comma 1. We want to find the equation of the tangent line. So in order to find the equation of a tangent line, we need to know a point, which we do know a point, pi comma 1, and we need to know the slope at that point. So to find the slope at that point, we need to take our derivative. So the derivative. We have sine squared x. The derivative of sine squared, that's a composite function. That is like sine x, quantity squared. The outside function is the square, so the 2 comes down. The 1 is, we would subtract 1 from the power, so 2 minus 1 is 1. So we have 2 sine x to the first power times the derivative of the inside. The derivative of sine x is cosine x. So that's the derivative of our first piece. Then we will add to that the derivative of the second piece. Derivative of cosine of 2x. The outside function is cosine. Derivative of cosine is negative sine. The inside stays the same, the 2x. And we will multiply by the derivative of the inside. So multiply that by 2. So our derivative is 2 sine x cosine x minus 2 sine of 2x. That is our derivative. Now, what do we want to do with this derivative? So that's not a slope at a point. That describes the slope at any particular point, but we need to think about what point we have. So our point is pi comma 1. So if x is equal to 1, then our derivative, if x is equal to, I think I said x is equal to 1. I meant if x is equal to pi, then our derivative at that point is 2 sine pi cosine pi minus 2 sine 2 pi. And we have 2 times sine of pi is 0, cosine of pi is negative 1, minus 2 sine of 2 pi, also 0. So we have a slope of 0. And we can throw this into point slope form. Our y value minus the y1 value. So y minus 1 is equal to the slope 0 times x minus the x value of the point. So we have y minus 1 is equal to 0, or y is equal to 1. That is the equation of our tangent line. Specifically at the point pi comma 1. All right, that's it for the chain rule. We will see you next time.